Okay. So basically, when I've taken the extra classes for the theoretical portion in the refractive index. So in the last class, we have completed the mirror formula, right? So in this class, we are going to complete the refractive index. Let's find out how many type, like what are the types of numericals and the how to solve them, right? Ayan and Faizan, please switch on your videos. Okay. So now let's discuss it together, right? So as in the last, so let me give you a brief of it. So okay, so basically there are two types of refractive indexes, absolute and relative. So when the air is taken as a reference medium, that refractive index is considered as the absolute refractive index, right? And the formula for absolute refractive index is n equals to c by v, right?
Yes.
Next is relative refractive index. When the medium is not air, right? Suppose that one of the medium is not air, and the like any other two mediums are there, like air, oh sorry, glass and water, and glass and oil, glass and diamond, water and diamond. So it could be any two mediums, right? So in that case, relative refractive index word is used. So in that, there are two, you can say, relationship in terms of velocity and in terms of refractive index itself, right? So let me show you the yeah. So let me write it. Let me write it in the okay. So when the object, so when the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 will be in terms of velocity of medium 1, because in the basically the velocity of medium 1 is higher, right? And velocity of medium 2. But in terms of refractive index, it would be n2 by n1. Clear, everyone? So this is the formula refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. So in the superscript, 1 is taken as a reference medium, right? And the subscript, it is treated as the medium from in which the light is going. Clear?
Yes.
Right, everyone?
Yes.
Sure. Next is, if I'm saying that refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2. Now I'm taking the refractive index, basically the medium 2 as the reference medium. So the velocity ratio would be V2 by V1 is equals to N1 by N2, refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2, right? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Any doubt to anyone?
No.
No.
Sure, that's great. Okay. So this is the relationship between them. This is the relative refractive index when the medium, when one of the medium is not air. All the two mediums are different completely, right? If one of the medium is air, so that will be considered as the absolute refractive index. Clear, everyone? So now
Yes.
let's discuss the questions. Now you'll get the proper idea which one is relative, which one is absolute, right? So the question is saying that light enters from air. So now the one medium is already mentioned, that is air. It means that which refractive index we are going to use or find? Absolute, because the refractive index of air, basically the refractive index of glass with respect to air is given. It means that the reference medium is air. So this refractive index is nothing but your absolute refractive index here, because air is the medium, right, everyone? So here n would be equals to 1.50, and speed of light is given to you. So that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, right? So as I have told you, to find, so we need to find the speed of light in that medium. So refractive index is absolute. So the formula would be n is equals to c by v. So n is 1.5 divided is equals to 3 into 10 divided by v. So we will shift it. We will go there, and 1.5 will come here. V is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.5 So this will cancel this twice, right? So the value of velocity into that in that medium is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Is this clear to all of you? So this is the answer. That's how you will solve it. Is this clear to you or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Zainab, Fazan, Junaid, and Ayan. Okay. So that's how the absolute refractive index is solved. Now, next question, let's find it out. We have to find the refractive index of a medium in which the speed of light, we have to find the speed of light, again, same type of question in that medium for which the refractive index is 6.5. The air word is used, it means that it is going to be absolute again, right? Now, n is basically 6 by 5. And c velocity of speed of light is also given 3 lakh kilometer per second, right? And we need to find the v. So again, we will use the same formula, that is n is equals to c by v. So we need to find the v. So it would be c by n. So c is 3 lakh divided by 6 by 5. So as it is a double division, so your denominator will go into the numerator. Is this clear to all of you, everyone? So this
Yes.
would be,
Yes.
and the velocity would be in meter per second. So it is 3 lakh into 5 divided by 6. So this will cancel this 5 times. So 5 5s are 25. So it will be 2,50,000 kilometer per second. This is the answer. Am I clear to all of you, everyone? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So that is how you will find out the answer. Okay. So now please solve this one, 17th question. It's a very it's similar type of question, only the values are changed. Velocity or tell me now, first of all, tell me, is this absolute refractive index or relative refractive index by reading the first line on your own?
Absolute.
Absolute, because
Absolute.
Okay, yes, absolute, because air is involved in it. Air into diamond, right?
Yes.
So now tell me the answer fast. Do the calculations. Okay, Zainab, that's correct. Anyone else? Ayan, Faizan, and Junaid?
1.2 into 10 raised to 8.
1 into?
1.2 into 10 raised to 8.
Yes. ठीक है. Okay, Faizan. Junaid, you are only left. Please let me know the answer. Okay, Junaid. Okay, let's find it out. ठीक है. Hello, Ibad. Assalamu alaikum. Ibad, are you there in the class? Okay, now let's find it out. ठीक है. So the question is saying that the refractive index of diamond with respect to air is given. It means that it would be absolute, so 2.42. And the speed of air is already given to you, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Simply just use the formula, that is n is equals to c by v. So we need to find the value of v, so it would be c by n will be equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 2.42. So if you divide 2.42 and 3, you will get the value as 1.24 into 10 to the power 8, because there is no change in the value of 10 to the power 8. So it would be 10 to the power 8. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Ibad, are you there in the class?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. How is it?
Okay. Ibad, you have joined so much late, dear. Please be on time.
Sorry. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Just a second, it's malfunction. I'm sharing my screen again. Just a minute. My laptop is lagging a little bit. Is it visible now, everyone? Okay.
Yes.
1 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so this would be the answer. Right. So basically, so let's understand some basic things about the refractive index. So as you can see this, the substance having higher refractive index is optically denser than another substance. It means that higher the refractive index, it means that the medium is much more denser. Okay, the density is more in terms of refractive index if you want to consider it. Yeah, yes or no, everyone? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
It means that now let's understand another point, that is higher the refractive index of a substance. It means that higher the value, the higher the ability to change the direction of light passing through it. That medium will change the direction of light in a very greater extent, right?
Yes.
This clear, right? So suppose that there's two mediums are there, light is same, and they are going to incident with the same angle. The refractive index is 2.42, okay, and this is 1.5. Which one will bend more towards the normal? Air, they are coming all from air. This is normal, this is normal. Can anyone tell me which one will bend towards the normal more? A and B. according to the statement that I've just recalled.
A 2.42.
Okay, Aayan said A. What about you, Faizan, Ibad, Zainab, and Junaid?
A.
Okay, A by
A.
Ibad and A by Faizan.
A.
Junaid also said A. Okay. Yes, A. It means that light will bend towards the normal in this A part at a very greater A. Okay, greater extent. It means okay. So higher the value of refractive index, it means that higher, basically the greater the light will bend. Okay. Chalo, that's great. Now let's find the question. Okay, please find the absolute refractive index of flint glass and crown glass. First part is basically based on the type of question that we have done just right there in the above question, in the above part. Okay, so please let me know the options for the A part. What is the value of flint glass and what is the value of crown glass? Any answer from anyone? Speed of light is given in the medium and in the air
flint
as well.
glass, it's 1.6.
One in the chat, in the chat. Find it for Zainab. There are two glasses: crown glass and flint glass. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay, but please find like I don't know for which you have basically calculated its the value. Zainab, please look into it and let me know. Okay, but okay, everyone, please look at the screen. Let's solve it together. Okay. So question is saying that they calculate the absolute. One more answer by Faizan. Okay, Faizan, for the A part. Faizan, is it for crown glass or flint glass? Because two glasses are there. They're asking for the two different glasses.
There is for A.
For no. A in the A part, two glasses are there, Faizan. Flint glass is different. Crown glass is different. Okay,
You take
okay,
both
Zainab.
of them.
No, both of the refractive index cannot be same because the speed of light are different. Okay, let's find it out. Please look at the screen, Faizan. Okay. Okay, Zainab, check it. Let's find. Question is saying that they calculate the absolute refractive index of flint glass and crown glass. So flint glass speed is 1.86, crown glass is basically 1.97. Let's find it out for the flint glass first. Okay. So refractive index, absolute refractive index of flint glass is equals to speed of basically C by V कर देते हैं, ठीक है, because that would be much more lengthy writing. So C by V. So N flint glass would be equals to C is given to you 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2 by 1.86 into 10 to the power 8, right? So 10 to the power 8 will get cancelled, right? So it is coming out to be 3 by 1.86. If you basically divide it, you will get, just allow me a second, let me give you an accurate number. 3 by 1.81 by 86, it's coming out to be 1.61. So the value of refractive index of the flint glass is 1.61. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure, that's great. Now let's find out the refractive index of crown glass, sorry, not clown, it's a crown. Refractive index of crown glass is equals to C by V, which is, okay, so now it is, I'm using C for the crown glass. So it would be C by V again. So it is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.97 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. So this 10 will cancel this and it would be around 1.9, 1.5 by 1.97. It's coming out to be 1.52. Right. So this is the value of the flint as well as the crown glass. Am I clear to all of you? Please let me know, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Is there anyone who is having doubt in this? Faizan, is this clear? So both the flint and crown glass possess different refractive index because the speed of light are different.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's understand the B part. So A part is simple that we have done so far. Now let's understand the B part in which the relative refractive index is involved. So question is saying that calculate the refractive index for light going from crown glass. From whenever the word from is used in the refractive index from crown, it means that this medium will be taken as the reference medium. This medium will be taken as the reference medium, and this is the medium in which light is basically going. So we have to question is saying refractive index of like the light going from crown glass to flint glass. So they are asking refractive index of flint glass with respect to crown glass. Okay, we have to take the crown glass as a reference medium because light is going from crown glass to flint glass. Am I clear to all of you, everyone? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Right, so we have two options to solve it because we have two relationship between to find the relative refractive index. One is the velocity, second one is the we have the refractive indexes as well, right? So which one would you like to take? There you go. This is the relationship. Now I've told you that refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 in terms of velocity would be v1 by v2. In terms of refractive index would be n2 by n1. Right. So I'm going to replace this with the flint glass and the crown glass. Please let me know which step you would like to take for the you can say the velocity part or the refractive index part. Yes, everyone, tell me. Yes, Aayan, you said something. देखो, हाँ, बोलो. And please speak a little bit louder.
Crown glass by flint glass.
Crown glass by flint glass. That is basically in terms of velocity. When you will take the velocity, The reference medium will be in the numerator. But if I tell you now, if you have already the refractive index of both the mediums, so much easier way is to basically calculate or take the ratio of refractive index only, because in the velocity part now, there would be two divisions: speed of light by the medium and speed of light by the another medium. So two divisions will be there, double of double division. But in the normal division, so it would be simple. So it would be refractive index of flint glass with respect to refractive index of crown glass. Okay? So let me write it again. Refractive index of flint glass with respect to refractive index of flint glass with respect to crown glass. Clear, everyone? So it would be equals to flint glass. What is the value of flint glass? That is equals to 1.61 divided by 1.52. So the value would be somewhat around 1.2 something. 1.61 divided by 1.52. Not 2, it's 1.05. 1.059. So this would be the answer for the second class. Please let me know, everyone, is this clear to all of you or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there anyone who is having doubt in this B part? A part, I know, like, I can understand, like, it's very simple, but in the B part, it's a little bit complex. Just let me know whether it's clear or not.
It's clear.
Okay, sure, that's great. Okay, sure. Okay, okay. If it's clear, please let me know the answer for this case. Please let me know, everyone, what's the answer for this part. Okay, I got the answer by Zainab. Okay, Zainab. Anyone else? Faizan, Aayan, Junaid, and Ibad. Okay, Aayan. Junaid, Faizan, and Ibad.
Where I get a different answer.
Okay, let me know in the chat. No need to worry about it. If you get the wrong answer, at least just let me know. Okay, Faizan. Okay, everyone, after this class, now you will be having an assessment for the same. Okay, so please go and check out the assessment after this class. Okay. I got the answer by Ibad. Okay, Ibad. Okay, everyone. So please look. Junaid, what's your answer? I didn't get your answer. Okay. Okay, Junaid. Junaid, how did you get the value in terms of like 10 to the power 8? Chalo, koi baat nahi. Now let's solve it. Koi baat nahi, no worries. Let's solve it together. Question is saying that the refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass. It means that it is a absolute refractive index because it's air is involved in it. Yes or no, everyone? So refractive index of glass with respect to air is given to you 3/2, right?
Yes.
From air to glass. So air is the reference medium. Question is saying that what will happen, what is the refractive index when the light ray will go from glass to air? It means that the question is asking the refractive index of air with respect to glass. So it would be, as I have told you, one relationship between them. They are reciprocal to each other. If you just reverse the medium, they are reciprocal to each other. So that would be refractive index of glass with respect to air. So if you write it, so it would be 1/2/3. This is a double division. So it would be 3 by, no, it's just a second, 3/2, hai na? Just a second, it's 3/2. It's 3/2, right? So it would be 2/3 coming. So in this, in the options, no option is matching. But if I see the option C, if I multiply the answer by 2, you will get that it is 4/6. So it means that, yeah, it is just to trick you. So that's why option C is the correct one. Am I clear to all of you, everyone? Please let me know.
Sir, I
Yes.
got it right.
Yes.
Got it, Vezan? Your answer was right. The only thing that you have that was not correct, you just have to multiply it with 2. Okay?
Yes.
Sure, that's great. Is there anyone who is having doubt? Please let me know. Aayan, Junaid, did you get the point, bache?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got
got
it.
it? And now
Yeah.
you got it? How to solve this type of question?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, everyone. So now let me know the question for the answers for this 19th and 20th part. Just a moment, everyone. I'm just okay. Just allow
Sir,
me.
which one? 19 or 20?
Okay, everyone. Let me know the answer in the chat. Just give me a moment. Okay, I'm just coming back in.
Sir, 19 or 20? Which one?
Though both, Faizan.
Okay.
Okay. So 19 S. Okay. Okay, Zainab. Okay, Baad. Okay. What about the 20th one? Okay. Junaid, yours. Okay. S14 materials. So you are confused in the option in the 19th question, Junaid. Okay. Okay, Faiza. So let's solve it together, everyone. Question is saying that the refractive index of four mediums are given to you. The speed of light is maximum in. So the maximum speed of light will be in the lowest refractive index medium. Because speed of light will be lowest in the highest refractive index. Yes or no, everyone? Higher the refractive index, lower will be the speed. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
So now let's understand which one is the smallest, the refractive index. P is 1.5, Q is 1.36, R is 1.77, S is 1.31. So among all the refractive indices, 1.31 is the smallest. So that's why the speed of light would be maximum in the medium S. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So refract now. Next question is refract. So let me write it. Order of refractive index for the 19th question. Okay. So order of refractive index. Okay. So it would be highest would be R, right? And then P, and then Q, and then S. So that's why this is the smallest refractive index value. So it would be the greatest max speed. Next question is the four materials of the refractive index is given to you similar 1.33, 1.43, 1.71, and 1.52. When the light passes from air into these materials, they refract the maximum in. Refract maximum means that it will bend more. So higher the refractive index, bending of light will be more. Yes or no, everyone? So it
Yes.
means that among all, option C is this highest refractive index and it will bend the light more. So order of refractive index would be C, then after that it would be D, then B, and then A. Please let me know, everyone, is this clear to all of you or not?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes.
that's how. Okay, so now please let me know the answer for this question, everyone. Yes, everyone. Is there any doubt? I got the answer by Let's check. Okay, Aayan. Okay, Bad. Zainab, Junaid, and Faizan, please let me know the answer.
Sir, I can't find it.
Okay. Able to solve it, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
You are saying you are not able to solve it?
No.
Chalo, koi baat. Faizan and Junaid, any answer from you?
No.
Chalo, okay. Giving you last minute, please solve it if you can. Zainab, oh sorry, Faizan and Junaid. Okay, Faizan. Okay, check. Okay, everyone. So let's solve it together. Question is saying that the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2. It means that refractive index of, this is the absolute refractive index, that is 3 by 2. Now, the question is saying, and the refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 by 3. Okay. Question is asking that the refractive index of glass with respect to water. It means that question is saying that refractive index of glass with respect to water. So if I write it in terms of refractive index, it would be refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, just substitute the values 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 3. As you can see, this is a double division. So this will basically, this 4 will go in the denominator and this 3 will go in the numerator. So this would be 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 2. So that is equals to 9 by 8. So it is coming out to be 1.125. So this is the option D. Am I clear to all of you, everyone? So option D is matching with the answer. So this is how you will solve it. Now you got the point how to solve the relative refractive indexes.
Yes.
Any doubt so far to anyone?
No.
No.
Sure, that's great. Okay. So that's how these types of questions will be there in your school exams, right? Just a second, allow me a moment, everyone. So is there anyone who is having doubt till now in the topic refractive index? How to solve this type of question?
No.
Sure. Okay. So after this class now, please go and check out the assessment as well. Just let me check, is there any more question left or not? Okay, solve this one. Please solve this one and let me know the answer. Got one more answer. Okay, Aayan.